Hey everyone, today we're gonna play Minecraft. So this is the, all you have to do, you have to encounter about the, wait a minute. All you have to do, you have to encounter the, we have to encounter the Wither. The Wither is the boss fight of this Minecraft, but yeah. So alright. So you have to start about the Wither. All you have to do to collect all of the skulls. Look at my remaining. Where is it? You see that? Wither skeleton skull. All you have to do to collect it. Only have four blocks shows. And this is the Wither skeleton skull. So how do you do to collect it? So I needed to collect it for that. I'll just do it. All I have to do, just need to collect it this one. For only one left. The skull remaining is one left. Let's begin. Okay, so here we go. I have to do find the skull of the Wither skeleton there. One left remaining. There's one left remaining for this. Lots of piglins there. There's one there with the skeleton. No. I didn't see there's no skull. I need a skull thing, but I need a skull. Yeah, there's a skull. There's a skeleton, weird skeleton there. Black skeleton, yeah. I see there's nothing, but I need it. But where is the skull of the Wither skeleton? But I need it. That's not. I'm looking for the Wither skeleton skull. I'm looking for it. Other one? Wait, what? Okay, my glitch shield is not working. Magma cubes there. So many magma cubes. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Alright. Wait. Okay, so here we go. I already complete. So we got 3 head. So I already got the 3 head for let's fight for the Wither. Okay. Let me just put it here. And we be prepared. Abyss I'll be few seconds. Bro, guys, this is disturbing for me. And they're disturbing at me. Okay. Let's build for the wither. Oh. What? Bro! They disturbing. Okay. Okay, so wither will spawn. So let's fight the wither time. Argo siya again. Bargosha join the chat. Join the chat. Come on. They disturbing at me. Come on, they disturbing at me. Come on. Just see what still this time. Yeah, killed it. No, they focusing. They focusing the wither. Defocusing the wither. Come on. Okay. Oh, that hurts. Yeah, kill it. They're teaming up. Yeah, they're teaming up. Come on. Do this. They're disturbing. Oh yeah. There's wither. They're teaming up. Fight the wither. Kill the wither. Yeah. Bro, Margos is still alive. The wither. Join the chat. Bro, Magus just joined the chat, man. Okay, I killed Magosha. Come on, defeat the Wither. Oh my gosh, is still alive. Yeah, Enderman, yeah, go, Enderman, yeah. Go, Enderman. They're teaming up. Yeah, killed it. Yeah, come on, come on. Yeah, almost there. Almost dead. Almost dead. Yeah, we defeated. So we got, oh yeah, we got the Nether Star. Do I get it? Do I get it? No, I didn't get it. A stick for this. So we got the Nether, but I need it. But where is it? Where is it now? Let me find it. Alright, so we got the Nether Star. So that's it for today. So thanks for watching for videos. I already got the Nether Star. See you next time. So good luck. Thanks for watching. Bye.